Yo, this tentacle FS on the now I do it like so. I'm here to give an correction on what we did on gold SAUUSD. So yeah, is what we did on. Honestly, it follows on the way I trade, but you can't be right all day in forex. So yeah, we have a breakup block. Here is my 2 hours breakup block. Yeah. So this was also a breakup block. So this breakup block doesn't work well. You see, when market starts, you see how market spike down on it. So when market gets to this breakup block, it starts rejecting. It starts seeing a weak rejection. After the rejection, we see a breach above being formed. Yeah. Then after we see a retracement to the demand zone. Then when I see it, you guys should wait. Where you see closure above. So as you see a closure above with candlestick, strong candlestick, wait, let me delete everything so it will be more understandable. So here now we have a candlestick that breaks this week's and cover it with body, you see. So when I say you guys should we buy from here. It was a sniper entry though. All of a sudden market start coming back. You can't really take profit from here because it's not good profit, it's not good risk to reward. Yeah. So when we take the trade, market start coming back, hit our SA, go up again, come back. So this market is really, I don't know what this market is doing now, so I'm not really okay going in this market right now because when I hit SA on a pay, I avoid the pay for a moment. So that's how we did on gold. That's the mistake we did on gold though. So yeah, we go on BTC. BTC, I told you guys about this ranging yesterday morning. Down the BTC was ranging. All of a sudden I said is this, well actually, and this signal was private. Yeah, I didn't share the signal. So when the market was ranging, I told my graphic signal people like we should resist this trade as we resist market start going up. So I saw a ranging market here. Market was ranging in between. If you can see, market was ranging in between. So when I resist market go up in the afternoon, I joined this trade. In the afternoon, New York session, when market pull back, I buy. And this one, if you can see, it is my GP, and I make money on it. So I was trying to okay, as market was breaking this threshold, as market was giving me a new high, let me just use this breakup block this morning, early morning. Let me use this breakup block to buy, and there is a demand also. So I risk a lot on this. I use this breakup block. Then my SA was up below here, So but market took me out. It's crazy. What market did was it used this, in ranging markets. After the range, we have a breakout on the range, and then after the breakout, we must have a pullback, full time pullback. But this I was just risking on this. I just risk on it, so it's just risky. I just risk it. So I was targeting to use this breakup block and demand zone, but it doesn't work out. It took me out using this. You see, using this ranging in between break and retrace. As market retraced, it start going. BTC is still buying, but I won't enter because I've hit my SA. I've reached my limit on BTC because whenever I hit SA on one pay, I don't take it pay again unless I want to break my risk. But I don't want to break my risk today, so I have another trades to go on today. So I don't want to break my risk or go below my daily limit. You know what I'm saying? So this what how really happens. Market usually ranging breakouts, break and retest to buy from. If you can see, you see a pin bar candlestick, a rejection, weak rejection. Aftermarket tap this ranging, you see it is a ranging, aftermarket tap this ranging, it is a weak pin bar rejection. So that's how it is. I have a trade this morning. I want to enter trade on GBP USD. So this man structure, I wanted to buy from here yesterday, but market didn't come to here yesterday. So I was like quick making money today. So I will like use this demand zone and see if I will make easy money today. Yeah, everybody wanna make money trading. So I was guessing if I will make easy money today from this. I also have on GBP and Hero GBP. You see, also have GBP and Hero GBP. You see, this market I wanted to swing this trade on daily. Yeah, on daily is a swing trade on daily. I was just, if you can see, this one social on daily. So like I was trying for market to come back to this zone so I can take my buy long, you know what I'm saying. So now I'm seeing a rejection, like market start from here coming back, and there's not much open balance here, you know what I'm saying. And the way I trade is really negotiable for me. I've seen a breaks, and this trend line is a liquidity trend line, you know what I'm saying. So market has broken it already. I also trade trend line. I don't trade trend line with straight touch or two touch, no. I trade trend line in a way that is really understandable. See that when this trend line, we have trend line break. We see some people will like wait to buy from this trend line zone as market retreats, but it won't go long with what I'm seeing. It won't go long with what I'm seeing on the way I trade. So as this trend line was breaking already, it's still a sale opportunity. It's not buying. And this trend line was breaking, it's still sell. So I was like using this zone, this first break of structure to say off to my POI, this POI before taking my buy. I'm not the market. I'm not saying I'm the market. I'm not saying I'm the good. Nobody is good on this. Nobody is good. Nobody's perfect. Though. Just do the list, you know. So I was like, this was my structure. My target for today on Hero GBP. So this one targeting. As you can see, we are having a rejection at that zone. We are really having a rejection at that zone. I haven't entered yet. I'm just waiting for confirmation. So you can see we're having a rejection at this zone. First we have a rejection when market comes here, and after that we have a break, inner break. You see, where we demand zone here, supply zone, sorry. When market comes here, it's spike down, break structure. All of a sudden you see how market moves in. When market tap at this demand zone again, we have a push down, and here then no way, come on. Okay, so here now we have a window market. This was the whole market doing on Asian session. You know, in trading we have three sessions. We have Asian, London, and New York. So Asian session start from midnight, the midnight that you are sleeping. There are people active trading the time you are sleeping. It starts at 10 o'clock p.m. ends 6. So London session starts from 9 to 6 p.m. in the evening, while New York starts from 1:30 p.m. to 11 or 10 when market close. That kind of stuff. So that's it. So this is what I want to do today. I don't need much. I'll just start using a little bit. I'm just risking 10%. 0.10% to make 0.36. So this is how I call this out for today. I will like call it out today if I see a clear confirmation. I've set my limit already, but I'm just watching it. So this is gold. Let's go for gold. Give you a gold again. Yeah, you know, and on Friday I was selling gold. Yeah, I said gold from this zone. If you can see from this zone, I said gold. So when on Friday I left the charts, I left everything to like over a week. Yeah, on Friday, so the market wasn't really on a good profit. I saw a profit like the market tested like this. I said from there when market was retracing, I say again. So when market starts on Sunday night before 12, which is Asian session, market took me out. Market go my way, which I wasn't still on this trade. Like market didn't take me out, you know. I've been in good profit by now. So that's trading. We keep on learning on our strategy, keep on learning, keep on improving. So this was USDJPY. I hit a sale very well on this USDJPY last week. See what I did wrong. You know, last week I was crazy. Last week I'm the one that marked this one to buy from this one. As market was like, don't worry, last week was really messed up. I was really messed up with my psychology last week. I was like jumping from trade to trade. Oh god, I need money. I'm jumping from trade to trade. That's it. That's why I lose this. I was gambling, you know. When you don't have clear setup, clear confirmation, like you are just wasting your time on the market. Market will like hit you up like in a hard way that you hit you that you really like forget yourself. That's what market give me last. That's what I did myself. No market, I did myself because I wasn't paying attention on the chart. I was just like, okay, as market like you know what I did last week. As market was doing like this, I see you break, I see enter like that kind of stuff. You know, I trade with emotions last week, which is not good. This I on Saturday I read my book, so I like try to settle things out, you know. So this very supply zone we hold, but not that too long. But I didn't into this trade because I'm not ready for like hitting a sale on USDJPY, my friend. It's kind of crazy to me last week, but I'm the one causing it for myself, you know. So I was waiting for market to come back to this zone. So this is my zone on imbalance. Then I'll buy from there. Market comes here, you know. I took it by last week or so. On Friday, market was here. This was where market is last week. When I took the trade, I'll add the picture to you guys. Yeah. So this was the where the market was on Friday night when market closed. So when market starts, I saw a push away. When I was going, you know, when I was going to my chart, I know that this is an inducement area. What I'm saying, you know, according to this structure, this USD structure, when market first move, it will first show you an inducement. It will first use inducement to go. Sorry, it will first use inducement to go. After using inducement, it will reset back to inducement, swing the inducement, go again, then finally come back to your demand zone. That's how it moves. So now I don't have much on this because I won't be entering this trade anytime soon. I'm not sure if I'll enter this trade anytime soon. So that's it. The only trade I have now is GBP USD and Euro GBP. And if I see setup again, I'll let you guys know. But I don't really trade find setup that way. I just wait and see. But last week was crazy to me. Like I lose about 3% of my account. Check 3% of your account. if you are using $10,000, it's about 3%, 3% of 10,000 is 200, and 3% of 5K is 150. So imagine me losing that in a whole week. You know how it is, man. I really messed up though, but it's part of the game. You can never quit what you choose. You keep on choosing it, but it's wrong, alright? That's it. So that's how it is, man. Let's keep on moving, man. This is a trade I'm gonna take today. But if you have any idea on this, like if you have any talk to any speech, any correction to make on this, you let me know in the comment. Okay. Alright, thanks. Let me just like end it here. Thanks for your time.